Hey everybody, 11:15, 34 seconds, April 26th. This is the final mini for the G.I. Joe 155, 9.6, Neal Adams. Over here are the 9 spots. Okay, what happened here was Dan, you originally picked spots 6 and 8, but Randall had already taken 8. Pardon me. Then you asked for spot 6 and 2, but Eric already taken 2. At that point, there were only 2 spots left. Jason said close it. I explained the situation to Jason. Jason took spot 1. That gave you spot 9. Okay? So, that's what we're doing right now. Let's roll our 3 dice. The number is 10. Randomized 10 times. Name at the top of the list. Gets the first 6 open, second place gets the next 2, third place gets the next single. Alright, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here comes the final one. 10, Marco Bruzone comes in first. Charles Francis comes in second. Eric Wilkerson comes in third. Time is 11:16:55.